In this video, I'll detail how to turn off or disable Wi-Fi connection on Apple Watch Series 9. So if you have an Apple Watch and either it is Series 9 or not, this video is going to walk you through how you can easily disable Wi-Fi. So if I learned this video, you found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Meanwhile, there are two ways that you can use to turn off or disable Wi-Fi on Apple Watch. The first approach is just press the side button once. Then once you click on that, you should see the Wi-Fi button here in the control center. Then toggle this, you should see disconnected, and that disconnected the Apple Watch Wi-Fi. So if this is turned on and you want to turn off the Apple Watch Wi-Fi, you can just go to your Apple Watch settings. Then on the settings page, scroll down, click on Wi-Fi. Then once you selected that, you should see the personal hotspot your Apple Watch is connected to. Then to turn this off, just click on this toggle to disable it. And once that is disabled, this is going to disable or turn off your Apple Watch Wi-Fi. So this is how you can easily turn off or disable Wi-Fi on Apple Watch Series 9. If you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.